Hello, this is Matteo from Tech Travel Geeks. Now, one of the things I've been asked after previous videos is, what is that thing Matteo keeps his SIM cards and micro SD cards in? I have shown this off as part of other unboxings and review videos, but this is my Perixx mobile safe box. This is a device I use to carry my SIM cards, SIM card adapters and micro SD cards, and a Sim Ejector Tool, which is very useful when travelling because I avoid incurring roaming charges by using local SIM cards and can carry a little bit more media for offline use when staying in places with slightly less reliable internet connections. So this is the device. As you can hear, it has a very satisfactory little drawer noise. I think it's spring-loaded or magnetic. It's very satisfactory to just feel that reassuring clip closed. And it's a little drawer with a sticky pad underneath, which means that the SIM cards and micro SD cards and Sim Ejector Tool are less likely to go missing if you hit turbulence on a plane or you're in a form of transport that's applying G-force to you whilst you're trying to change your SIM card. So I use this when travelling very frequently and really enjoy it. This is a product we endorse without being sponsored by them. What we've done is we've got one here which we're going to unbox for you. Keep this under wraps. We won't tell Lukasz, but this is his travel gift for his trip to China. So we've purchased one for him so that he can use it whilst travelling in China and playing around with SIM cards and micro SD cards. So this is the packaging, designed in Germany. Hopefully there's no fuel efficiency or emissions rating on this. But apart from that, I'm sure it's a great product. I have been using one for years. Therefore, I endorse it. On the back, it will tell you that this is a mobile safe box. It enables you to store your valuable SIM card and micro SD cards safely. It has grip pad technology. The package also includes 2 micro SIM card adapters, 1 nano SIM adapter, and 1 removal pin. So that's it. It's a little simple cardboard box. I'm going to open this up. And there's a cardboard holder with a brand new shiny Perixx mobile safe box. Noticeable the stickers on the other side on this model. Let's see what happens. So you open it up and yes, you have a Sim Ejector Tool, micro and nano SIM adapters, which is useful if you have slightly older devices, and the same reassuring little spring-loaded closing mechanism. So let's keep this a secret, not tell Lukasz we're giving one to him for his trip to China, and pretend to repackage it so that it looks brand new. Now, as I said, have been using one of these for years, and we at Tech Travel Geeks are going to be giving one of these away. If you too would like to have a Perixx mobile safe box, all you have to do is subscribe to Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube and leave a comment on this video telling us what devices you would carry your spare SIM cards and micro SD cards for. What devices would you put your spare cards in whilst travelling? For the maybe funniest and most creative or most interesting answer, as judged by the Tech Travel Geeks, we will be giving away one of these, and including postage and packaging. We will not be covering customs and taxes if you're out with the UK. That is something you will be responsible for. So there's a quick rundown of the terms and conditions, but it's fairly simple and a very useful gadget. So, thanks for watching this quick review and unboxing, and as I mentioned, subscribe to Tech Travel Geeks and leave us a comment for a chance to win a Perixx mobile safe box. Thanks for watching, everyone. Goodbye.